This is the Uline H-150 standard size handheld industrial tape dispenser. I love the weight and feel on this thing, and I've had this thing for quite a long time, and it's still holding up great, and it still looks great. Obviously, I cleaned it up a little bit for the video, but it works with your standard size tape rolls that you're used to seeing. And a couple of cool features about this: it has an adjustable tensioner on here, so you can adjust the tension of this if you're having problems with stuff breaking or whatever, tape breaking off. You can adjust this to get the right tension on it, or, you know, to get the right tension for whatever works for you. It's got the plastic flap on the top, so when you do it, you can kind of brush the tape down. I really like that feature on it. It's got spring-loaded features on here. It's just kind of cool. To pull this down, it snaps into place. It's not cheaply made. It's metal and industrial plastic on here. And if anything loosens up, they've given us options here. This is a flathead and Phillips screw. You can use either or on there, which is great for tightening it up, you know, because it's going to get loosened up with a lot of use on here. But it obviously works with a standard size tape roll. It slides on there, it holds perfect, you know. Let that off, snap this back into place, and we're ready to go. You can see it's just effortless. It works great every time. Obviously, having the right tape matters too. But yeah, it's just a great device. This is a great, I mean, it's one of the better handheld tape dispensers out there. This is the Uline H-150.